Spring has sprung, and so have the property listings. If you have been waiting for the right moment to buy, sell, or invest, this could be your window of opportunity. You know that feeling when you are waiting for the perfect time to buy or sell a property? Well, this spring might just be it. I'm Rusty, and today I'm diving into the latest property trends that could help you make your next move with confidence. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, I've got some key insights to share that could make all the difference. Quick note before we dive in. If you're keen to take control of your mortgage and pay it off faster, I'm hosting a free workshop on how to pay off your mortgage in 10 years. It's packed with practical tips to get you ahead. Reserve your spot with a link below and more details here. Let's jump into the spring update. Spring has brought a surge of new property listings across the country. In Melbourne, for example, listings have jumped 24% above the usual levels, according to PropTrack. That's great news if you're a buyer. More options and more competition for sellers. In areas like Brisbane, Adelaide, and Perth, though, listings are still down by as much as 50% in some spots, meaning there's a unique window of opportunity depending on where you are. Personally, I've seen clients make the most out of the market trends. I remember a few springs ago navigating a similar market in Brisbane with one of my clients. We were able to score a fantastic deal because we understood when and where to act. It's all about being patient and playing the long game. Now, if you're thinking about selling, this might be your time. CoreLogic's Pain and Gain report has revealed that property profits are at an all-time high, with the median resale gain hitting $285,000 in the June quarter of 2024. Brisbane led the charge with 99.1% of properties selling for more than their original price. So if you have been sitting on the fence, now might be the perfect time to cash in. There's something interesting I came across. Research from QUT suggests that older Aussies could play a key role in solving the housing crisis when renting out their spare bedrooms. With 80% of Australians over 65 owning their homes, many of those homes being underutilized, this could ease housing pressures and boost their finances at the same time. It's a simple idea that could make a real difference. And if you're thinking of refinancing or getting a new loan, banks are back in the game with cashback offers. It's very appealing indeed, as some are offering thousands of dollars in incentives to attract new borrowers. So if you are in the market, now is the time to shop around for the best deal. If you want to dive deeper into how you can make most of your loan, whether it's refinancing, reducing your loan term, or maximizing cash flow, check out the video on 5 smart borrowing tips. In it, we'll show you how to leverage these strategies to boost your financial position and make your loan work harder for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more property tips and updates. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.